Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna try and chop some corn here this afternoon. We waited a while because yesterday we got a bunch of rain, like about 1.25 inches, which was very helpful for like some of the beans and a little bit of the corn, but some of the corn it was too late. But anyways, so yeah, we're gonna chop some silage and we're gonna get started here. Here we got our fleet of silage trucks, which they'll work. A little old, but they get the job done. The Dodge there is usually just a backup truck, but we were using it the other day because the green one had a problem with the power steering on it, kept leaking everything out. So gonna quick check all that and make sure everything's ready to go. While Caleb quick figures out what's wrong with the power steering, I'm gonna check the oil on the green truck and blow it out too. Go check. Well guys, Dad just called me and said that one of the trucks is stuck, so we're gonna take a chain out there and get them pulled out. That front end is pretty heavy. Gonna try and pull it out with the chopper. It should pull it out. None of this water was here a week ago. We were completely dry, but all that rain from yesterday definitely made a difference. Yeah, it was stuck just a little bit. Front end wouldn't have fell in, it would have came out probably by itself. That's pretty wet down there, I think. now we got them pulled out, I'm gonna get in the tractor and I'm gonna go push the pile now. So hopefully they don't get stuck again. I mean, it is very wet out there, but we'll see. Well, okay, I guess. It's starting to rain on us here while we're chopping. Enough that I can wash my window. I don't know how much longer it's gonna last. It might make us stop, but we'll see. Oh, we didn't get enough rain to quit here. So we're gonna keep on pushing the pile up and keep chopping. Well guys, we're gonna finish here I think for the night. Caleb's pushing up the pile, and then I'm gonna take the other tractor and help him pack it. That way it's done for the night. Thank you guys all for watching. Please like and subscribe if you didn't, and we'll catch you guys later. Bye.